Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about Danish sayings here. And this is a Christmas gift we got from our sister back in the old country, back in Denmark. So I think let's just get in there and start.
Yeah, because I don't know what's the sayings in Danish.
No, let's just, this one first saying is gå agurk. So go cucumber in English. It means go bananas, go crazy. But in Danish we say cucumber instead of going bananas. It's like.
What is go cucumber means?
So let me give an example in Danish. Rasmus gik agurk i skotøjsforretningen. It means like Rasmus went crazy in the shoe shop.
It's like to go crazy.
To go crazy.
So let's go cucumber, let's go cucumber. It's like let's go party. Is it like that?
I think it's go agurk, let's go agurk. I'm not quite sure it's party, more like being crazy, doing something stupid, right? Rash. But that's the first one. Okay, number 2. Can we fart about the price? And it
Can we fart about the price? Guys, ututan nyo daw yung presyo.
And it means if you can like, it means negotiating about the price. So like, let us prutte om prisen means that you're kind of arguing about it, or not arguing. You know what you do, right? If you go somewhere in the Philippines, then you
Like,
you say one price and then you're like
bartering.
bartering, right?
Yeah.
Then you ask, can I get it cheaper?
Yeah.
It's kind of bartering over the price, or like,
Yes.
yeah. Do you ever do that back in the
Yeah, always. Because we have a lot of market in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
And then did you always get it cheaper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how Filipina is.
I'm really bad at that, you know that?
And I'm good in that, so don't worry about it.
That's good,
I'm good in that.
That's good, baby.
Negotiating.
Hey, you wanna buy this piece of cardboard for $10?
No, I want to buy $1.
Well, what about for $5?
No, $1. Then
Oh wow, okay. Very tough.
next is
The field of last diarrhea. It means like last Marker. It means like very far away. And maybe let's go to 4.
don't come here.
Don't come here and play King Carrot. So it's the word.
Guys, look at this.
Yeah.
Don't come here and play King Carrot. Wow, the meaning is
The meaning is don't come here and be like very.
don't act like a better one.
Be very, the Malay word is atas, right? Be so fancy, right?
Yeah, in Tagalog, guys, it's like wag masyadong mayabang.
Hapu syapang mayabang.
Wag
Ma
siya dong
ma
ya bang.
bang.
Wag masyadong mayabang.
Watu syata mayabang.
Oh, is it Japanese?
Watu
Anyway, guys,
syata.
we have as well like these sayings in Tagalog. We have like yung tinatawag nila na malakas ang hangin. I think we have this one as well that we have this one as well in Tagalog that it's like how to translate in English, my god. I'll say it to you later. It's really hard to translate in English.
Oh yeah. One out swinging the wooden leg. It's a Danish saying.
Dancing.
Yeah, it means like dancing. Ud og svinge træbenet. And it means that you're going out and you're really dancing and having fun. What's the next one?
Pat the horse.
Klappe hesten. So like if you let's say that you want to I don't know.
Let's calm down or relax.
Let's say that you want to run to Marina Bay Sands right
Okay.
now. And I'm like, oh, it's evening. I don't want to run like 10 kilometers.
But it says here it's calm down or
Yeah,
relax.
it means like if someone is saying something very exaggerated, like,
Okay.
oh, let's redecorate the house right now. And then I said like, let's just pet the horse.
In Tagalog, we would just say that relax.
Yeah.
Like, OE mo naman.
Oh yeah, man, man.
Nice, like, relax. Okay. Number 7, no cow on the ice. No cow on the ice.
No cow on the ice means that everything is going smoothly, right? So if someone is like,
everything is fine.
Let's say that you're working on a project and someone says like, okay, no cow on the ice. It means that everything is fine and like just everything is good.
It's a good saying.
No cow on the ice, right?
Come on, team. No cow on the ice. There's
Yeah.
no cow in the ice.
There's no cow on the ice. Hey, but I'm never. I'm always chill, right? So.
Then next to grab a
Granddad.
Wow, so nice this one, guys. Come on. To grab a granddad.
To grab a granddad basically means to take a nap. So in Danish it's like I'm just gonna go take a morfar.
Take a morfar.
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 So in Danish we don't say granddad. We say morfar.
Morfar.
Morfar is mother's father. Farfar is father's father.
Morfar.
Yeah, and then there's morfar, farmor, farfar, mormor, morfar. So mormor is like mom's mom, and morfar is like mom's father. So it's like mormor, morfar, farmor, farfar. Yeah. It's easy, right? Okay. What's that? The raisin in the end of the sausage.
The raisin in the end of the sausage. The last one.
So that one means like a raisin. I mean, you say like rosinen i pølseenden. Let's say we're doing like a vlog or something, and then this is actually the last thing. Then you say like, oh, now comes the raisin at the end of the sausage. It means like the last one.
The raisin in the end of the sausage.
The last one. So, and it's usually, especially if it's something good, right? So, if something good is happening at the end, then you say it's the raisin at the end, in the end of the sausage. I don't actually know where this is coming from because I never had a sausage with raisins in it, so I don't quite get it, baby. Have you ever tasted like a sausage with a?
No.
No, I don't get it. So maybe we can let's have a look at these.
So okay, guys.
So I think
ask them also the Philippines.
yeah. So what kind of sayings do you have in the Philippines? Do you have some of these funny sayings like let me think of something.
It's like, guys, that Tagalog, like for example, it's like crazy like that. And then sinasabi natin na yung ternilyo ng utak niya parang nawawala or lumuluwang, yung parang ganon. So I don't know much about the sayings sa Filipino, especially kapag sa Tagalog na talaga. So maybe guys, you can help us to comment down below what are those sayings. Kasi alam ko madami eh. Tanong ko din nga si Mama mamaya. Comment down below kung ano yung mga sayings. Yung talagang mga popular na sayings na laging sinasabi ng mga Filipino. So you can just comment down below what are those Filipino sayings. And please don't forget as well to like, subscribe, and share our videos. So